Today is a day to relax. I've braved the 1.7 mile bike ride to San Pedro and found a tranquil spot to wait for my boat to Caye Caulker. Or so I thought. This is just one of several times I'm going to be approached by men on the street today. This first guy is actually pretty polite, although I'm extremely uncomfortable with how alone we are, how close he sits, and how quickly he finishes his beer while jovially asking me the name of my hotel and room number, neither of which I give him. I think I'm finally escaping this mess by taking this little boat to the island of Caye Caulker, but instead am approached by even bolder men, who forcibly hold my hands while they profess their love and demand that I kiss them. One man grips my hand so hard, I literally have to drag him down the street saying no thank you over and over until he lets go. A local tour guide assures me that this is just the culture and that it's all in good fun. But I'm starting to realize that I am not going to be comfortable staying alone in Belize. So from now on, I'm going to have to stick to group tours. I did manage to find a safe spot at a paid hammock to relax for the rest of the day on Caye Caulker and enjoy the rest of the time that I had set aside to recharge.
I spent too much time chilling on the beach and I don't want to miss my boat. I made it! I almost got run over by a golf cart. And then I got yelled at because I was going the wrong way down a one-way street. Because in Belize, one-way streets aren't marked one way. Oh, I guess they are. Yeah, little blue arrow is all you get. Sorry. Final verdict on the bike ride from San Pedro to Royal Caribbean Hotel. It's a decent bike ride. It'll get your blood pumping, but it's not bad at all.
Fortunately, I've signed up for a paddleboarding tour tomorrow that you are not going to want to miss. So make sure to tune in to the next episode when the real adventures begin.